I'm in a BMW M5 competition pack, and next to me is a Mercedes-AMG E63S. Now, I've already raced the normal M5 against the 63S, but a lot of you guys complained that I should be having a competition pack against an S Mercedes, and so finally I've got my hands on this car, and we're going to see what happens. So this car has a 4.4 litre twin-turbo V8 with 625 horsepower. It's also got four-wheel drive and an automatic gearbox with launch control. That Mercedes has a 4 litre twin-turbo V8 with 612 horsepower. It also has an automatic gearbox with launch control and four-wheel drive. Now, before we race, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted whenever we make a new upload. Also, check out my personal Instagram at MattWatsonCars, and also the carwow one, which is at carwowcars. And after all that promotional stuff, let's race. Close off the line, but I think I've got him. Is he pulling me back a little bit? No. Come on, BMW. The competition pack rules. Now, it was really interesting because I got a much better launch then than when I launched the normal M5 6 months ago. You know, with these cars, they're so closely matched that it's all about that initial traction. If you get off the line first, you're going to win, because I wasn't actually increasing my lead against him. It was like set from the beginning, and then that was it.
So then, what exactly happened? Well, the M5 competition pack got a great launch and took 11.1 seconds to do the quarter mile. The E63S was just behind with 11.3 seconds. Interestingly, the best time I've ever had from an E63S is 11.2 seconds, which is still slightly slower than the M5 competition pack.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour. I'm going to count it in. 3, 2, 1, go! God, he just picked up so much quicker. Am I catching him now though? Not at all. In fact, there's nothing in it. I'm starting to pull it back now, bailing out. That won that, no problem at all. They weigh about the same, just under 2 tons. That has 850 Newton meters of torque. This has 750. That was the difference. Both these cars were locked in manual mode, in third gear from 50, and there is the result. Finally, we're going to do a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, full emergency stop. Here's the cone coming now. What's going to happen? Now that is odd. Both cars are on carbon ceramic brakes, but this one stopped just that little bit better. Clear winner there, the BMW.
That means, overall, the BMW M5 competition pack beats the Mercedes E63S by a score of 2-1. But which one do you have out of these two cars? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, comment on it and share it. Also, click on our logo to subscribe to this channel. And if you click on the bottom right hand corner, you can actually watch more of our content. Meanwhile, click over to the right to go to our deals page to see how much money you can save on a new car at CarWow.